Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change a country on Wizz app. But before that, we will simply go ahead and step into our video for the matter. So for you're gonna go ahead access your Wizz app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can see this kind of interface will pop up on the chat section, including friends icon and request icons on top, giving you options to choose either. Then afterwards, we're gonna go tap on this profile icon given below right corner. Go ahead, tap on the settings icon on top, and you can see in this my account section you can find this location preference. For me, I did not have other people joined me in yet, so I do not have location preferences for me to choose from, since I'm the new user. Same goes for the new users as well. If you're a new user, do not have friends, you won't be able to find other countries. Then afterwards, if you got enough friends here in the users section, you can here in this Wizz app of yours, you can go ahead choose from the options that will be available in the Wizz app itself as a recommendations. You can go ahead choose any of it according to your need, and once you have changed it, you're gonna go back, and just like right now you can see the Nepal's flag over here in the location section. You can find the change countries flag over there, and that will be it. And that way you will be able to change your country on Wizz. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.